Hello together. My name is still Raymond, and today I will show you exact zooming. I needed a long time to get that code, and I will give you this code. This is coding on Windows Universal Platform app, and I have here an image, and what I do here is zooming when the cursor stays at the position. This is difficult to do. In my previous apps and tutorials, I showed you how to zoom with a manipulate and transform of a UI element, and now I show you the zooming when the cursor stays on the position. So what you have here, you see this, the cursor is there, and I zoom it. So in standard zoom, when you change the scale factor, then zooming is on the central. So when you have the cursor here, always the picture moves to the side. So in this case, it always stays there, zooming and throwing it back. Okay, now we go to the XAML side and to the app side. What we have here, as we have seen in the previous tutorial, we have the grid as a surrounding element, and inside there's a scroll viewer, and inside the scroll viewer there's the image. The scroll viewer is with disabled horizontal and vertical scroll bar visibilities. So the inner element, the image, when you set the stretch mode there to uniform, then it stretches to maximum, and vertical stretch, alignment stretch, horizontal alignment stretch, then it stretches to maximum. That's what you see when you start. Now what we do here is I use the pointer wheel changed event, and inside the UI element is the render transform and the composite transform. All you have to do, throw this in there. Now when we go to the and we have to allow a manipulation mode, translate X, translate Y, yep, and then the scale is also important. Now when we go to the pointer wheel changed event, that's what's interesting and this difficult code. Go to the definition. We have here complex code. Please take everything, take the block and copy it to your own application. We have here in the first line, get the wheel data scrolling to front side or back side, and tell me the actual position where my cursor is. And then I say, okay, whenever you do a scroll, make a factor of 1.2 or 0.8. This means plus 20% or less 20%, so 80% or 120% scaling. Now we say the scale factor, the zooming itself is the internal zoom. So this is image transform. This is this one, the composite transform. The rendered is image transform, target rendering. Target rendering is scale factor X multiplied by the delta scroll. So the actual scroll multiplied with plus 20% or minus 20%. This is the new scale factor. And now we have to say, when we scroll into the front side or back side, we have to respect the position of where is the actual, is it moved to the left side, to the right side, and also where's my actual position. So this is a little bit coding. You may read this: new translate X, shift to the left side or right side when scrolling is going to the front or back side. Then when zooming, then take the actual position minus the actual moving, whenever it was moved, multiplied by 20% of the actual position multiplied by the scale factor of the inner element. So that's a bit complex. And then I have a final correction. When it's on 100%, then stop there. And now finally we set the transform, set scale with new scale, translate with the new translate. Translate means shifting right or left. Now what we do there is we have a look on it again. So this is my photo explorer. Now when we zoom, when I go to the picture and I zoom, when I scroll with my mouse bar to the front or back side, or when I manipulate by if it's a touch screen, then this function will go there, and you see the pointer is always on the right position. It can scroll front side and back side. So I hope this code helps you in your own application. Copy it and paste it and use it. I hope I could help you in this case. If you like it, give me a button, a like, and also subscribe it. It's good for YouTube.